The stripe is behind the dolphin. They're bigger dolphins. But this is. They reckon that there are 3 times as many as you think there are.
Yeah. That's brilliant.
Dolphin herders here. Yeah. Well, so, I mean,
oh, beautiful.
Have you read our letter? Twice that we reckon we've had dolphins before the water. This is what dolphins used to do, right? They used to swim alongside the boat or just off or they sit on the bowway.
Yeah. Way, big jump over there. Yeah.
And then once we were on a massive cross the first way going east to west. The dolphins came up and they were being really funny. They were going off in front of us, jumping out of the water a lot, and then turning around seeing that. So we all went to the front of the boat to look at them. But there in the water, in front of us, was what looked like a kangaroo.
Really?
We actually needed to change course to go around it.
So they were warning you.
Oh, well, it could have been dolphins. And then we were heading in for...
we need to go and check here.
No, they were right out in front. They weren't doing this. Heading into the north, and we came across some dolphins and we did the same thing again. We went up the bow to see what it was. And there in the water in front of us was a massive triangular boat.
Wow.
And we were motoring, and I ran backwards just to knock the engine to neutral. Didn't have a chance to steer around it.
Here we are.
And I got to hang around the front.
Sorry.
There's the baby again.
There's a lot more now.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Got any fish? So long and thanks for all the... My missus is going to hate me.
You getting plenty of pictures of it?
Yeah, I'm filming it. This thing's got 4 gig of memory, so I can film all day.
No, I'll definitely get you a share.
Yeah, I'll get your email address.
It is now shearwater.
Oh, I see it, yeah.
Through the reticulum.